Let's continue our discussion about some of the conditions or prerequisites for formal reading instruction. By formal reading instruction, I mean to say in terms of training them how to spell or recognize words. So in this regard, we've got phonemic awareness, the knowledge about the words, that they are made of sounds which can be separated. Okay. Phonemic awareness entails the understanding that words and syllables they consist of sequence of elementary speech sounds, and the focus of the activities in a reading task should be on the sounds of the words, not on the letters or the spelling. And the teacher can use some strategies which can make phonemes more prominent, right? For example, we can ask our students to produce each sound in isolation, and until they become familiar with this one. So, for example, we can start with simple words to help the fluency of our students in reading. They can listen for initial S in sat or sit or sad. So they can do some exercises and have some input in pronouncing the first letters of the words. So we can teach them how to blend, how to mix phonemes into words. For example, you can see here milk, how it's been divided into different sounds, and sat is divided into two sounds. Okay. So we can help our students identify some separate phonemes within words, that a word contains one or two or three phonemes. So we can ask them to say what's the first sound of the word soup. So we can break up words into component sounds. For example, moose, we can break it into the component sounds. As you can see here, the word has been broken into different component sounds. So in this regard, we can give input which is plentiful and which is frequent, brief, and interesting for the students.